What's up, guys? Alex from Palm Beach Sports Cards here, back with another video. Today I have got the new rookie card explosion box from Philmington. Literally just got this thing in the mail at lunch today. Figured, what the heck, let's get into it. Let's rip it open. I think we got some good stuff in here this month, so excited to check it out. I'll drop a link to Philmington's channel down below, so if you want to check that out and try to get in on the rookie card explosion box, you can do so. Get the packs out, and then we'll go through the list here, see what we got to look at. Okay, so what do we have pack-wise this month? We've got 93 Topps Series 1. You're looking for that Derek Jeter rookie card, hopefully the gold. That would be an amazing pull. 27 Topps Update. Obviously Bellinger not having the greatest season, but you got Aaron Judge, Winker. 2018, you got Devers, Walker Buehler, Flaherty, Woodruff. Series 2 of 2018, obviously a monster pack with Acuna and Ohtani. 2019, Tatis, Vlad, Eloy. 2020, Bowman, that's another good product. Some 2020 Topps Chrome, then 2021 Topps Chrome, 2021 Topps Pro Debut, which I really enjoy, and Series 2. So, and then 1 in 6, a special bonus pack. So let's see here. So there's the 2017, the 2018, the 2018 Series 2, the 2019, the 2020, the Chrome, Pro Debut, and the Series 2. So it doesn't look like we got the bonus pack, but a bunch of good stuff to go through. I'm going to do it this way. Let's see. We'll save those. Let's kind of do it like this. All right, so we'll start off with 2020 Bowman. And this is 2020 Bowman. This is a retail pack. Francisco Mejia, Vladi, Flaherty, Alex Young rookie, Kirilloff. First, Balazovic, Ronaldo Hernandez, Sean Murphy, Gratterall, Zach Collins. All right, nothing crazy there. 2020 Series 2, Jazz Chisholm, Brian Hayes, Kirilloff, those guys we're looking for. Will Myers, Trey Mancini. We got a rookie of Tom Hatch. There's one of the rookies you're looking for, Kirilloff. So that's a nice one. Jeff Mateus. Got a backwards card here. Oh, look at that. Ronald Acuna Jr. And that's the black border. Not numbered. But still nice pull. Carlos Martinez, Sandy Alcantara, Brian Hayes. So, I'd say we did pretty well on that pack. Very nice. Very nice. Throw a couple of these in some sleeves here. So, hit both the Brian Hayes and the Kirilloff rookie. So, we got 2 of the 3 that he had listed there. Plus, I believe this is like a black border or navy blue border, kind of a short print. I think those came out of the Walmart ones, if I remember correctly, but very cool. So nice little start there. We'll set those aside. And let's see, let's get into this 93 Topps baseball. So, see if Mr. Jeter could possibly be in here waiting for us. Noel Sorrento, going to be a blast from the past here. There's our gold, Gerald Clark with the Padres. So you get 1 gold per pack in these. Mike Stanley, Kent Herbeck. Shout out to Dustin. So no rookies in there. All right. Didn't get the Jeter. 2017 Topps for Bellinger, Judge, and Winker. Brad Goldberg, Tyson Ross, Ian Happ, rookie debut, Daniel Robertson. Cool little Sandy Koufax card. It's a neat one. Don't know if that's any kind of short print or anything. Let me know if it is. Anthony Alford and Brian Anderson. So yeah, that was definitely the cool card from the pack. I haven't seen that one before. All right, next up, Topps Chrome 2020. And this is retail. Aaron Judge, nothing shiny in here. Corey Seager, Cody Bellinger, Justin Verlander. Oh yeah, we do have a refractor. So cool. Got the Verlander refractor. One of the guys I PC. Something like that. All right. Then this year's Topps Chrome. This is a hobby pack, I believe. Yep, hobby. So you got a chance at hitting an autograph. Carlos Correa. Oh, look at that. Kyle Cody. This is the teal. So that's out of $199. And the Alex Bowman. So nice little pack there. Out of $199 for the Rangers. Kyle Cody. Not super familiar with him, so have to let me know if you know anything about him. But that was a nice little hit there. Along with Mr. Bowman. All right. 2021 Pro Debut. You've got a nice shot at hitting autos out of this product because you get 4 autos per box. So it's like 1 in 6 packs or something. But these are pretty cool. I like that they match the top set. Xavier Edwards, Alexander Vargas. These are cool too. These kind of draft pick throwbacks that they did, like those. Eric Pena, Slade Sassoni, Alexander Vizcaino. So not too familiar with any of those guys, but good cards to kind of stash away and see if somebody makes a name for themselves. 2018, big pack here. We're looking for Ronald Acuna Jr., Shohei Ohtani. Either one of those would be nice. Hunter Renfroe. So we got here Brian Anderson, rookie. Brandon Woodruff. There we go. There's a rookie card of Brandon Woodruff. Not bad. We got a Raciel Iglesias foil. Chase Utley. Alex Bregman World Series. Chris Owens. Edison Volquez, and Nick Ahmed. So, did get the Brandon Woodruff. Not too bad. Then we've got 2018 Series 2. Oh, sorry. This is the pack that we're looking for, Acuna and Ohtani. So, yep. Woodruff was one of the ones listed on 2018 Series 1. So here's Series 2. Marco Estrada, Phil Hughes, Franklin Barreto, Shelby Miller, Ken Giles, Enrique Hernandez, Billy Williams for the Cubs, Hanley, Brandon Kinzer, and Dallas Keuchel. So no luck there. Down to our last pack, 2019 Series 2. Got Tatis, we got Vladdy. Obviously it would be a monster pack if we hit either one of those guys. That would be an amazing way to end this. Let's see if we get lucky. Miles Straw, Justin Smoke, Kyle Wright, Jared Dyson, Jeffrey Rizzo, Austin Meadows, Josh Reddick, Sung-Hwan Oh. Not looking like we're going to do it here. Irvin Phillip, Zach Elfin. All right, so no luck there. Quick little recap in terms of what we got. We got the Brandon Woodruff rookie, the Bowman rookie. Got the auto, which was nice, out of Topps Chrome, the numbered auto of Kyle Cody. Something like that. Got the Verlander refractor. Kirilloff rookie card. Ronald Acuna. And a Cabrian Hayes rookie card. So that is it. Definitely check out Philmington if you're interested in joining up. Here's the website, rookiecardexplosionbox.com. Here's all of his social media, so feel free to check that out. Definitely looking forward to continuing this subscription and seeing what we get each month. It's a lot of fun, nice little rip, nice to get a variety of products. So thanks for checking it out, guys. Talk to you soon.